Hello, my name is Faud. I'm from Egypt and I'm working in building works overseas department.
My name is Mario. I'm working in the overseas infrastructure tender team and I'm from Spain.
It's a very, very popular food and it's an encounter of two different worlds.
What? Two countries?
Or the sea and land.
Kimbap? Maybe?
I don't know.
Sushi.
I hope it's sushi.
Oh.
Yeah, it's weird.
What is that food?
Squid.
Squid, yeah.
Or octopus.
So I think bon appetit. But
I think you can start.
no.
Touching.
It moves.
Really?
Yeah, it's
Oh,
alive.
that's alive is good. I think that's a bad idea.
You sure?
But it's...
Oh my god, I really like it.
Not bad, yeah.
Gosh, it's very big. Oh my god. Why you're not trying? You can try with me.
No. You go first. What to pick up?
Squishy, fluffy.
Very alive.
You sure I have to eat this?
Oh, it's really moving.
Where is moving?
Inside?
Sticky. You can feel the it sticks in your tongue and in your
Oh my god.
Eh.
Very chewy.
Very chewy, yeah, definitely.
And it sticks in my mouth.
And tastes good. Tastes really good. Yeah, for sure. I want to see.
Yeah. I would love to see the accents, yeah. Egyptian eggplant, red sauce eggplant. Then they chop it, put it in all of it, and then put it in red sauce with minced meat. It's really good.
No, typical paella, Spanish, which is a kind of big pan with rice and seafood, vegetables, chicken, so all mixed together with a yellow color because we put some color on, and it's really good. Hyundai.
Nagji Tantani.
Annyeong.
What? Bye. Can we get McDonald's?